to the center and 2 inches. We're just going to scrunch it right here and put it right in the middle. Alright, and just let it hang down. And we're going to roll it. Alright. We're going to twist. To make sure the good side shows. And our bow is going to be, let's just do 6 inches. Because it's a lot of mesh. We don't want it to overpower. 6 inches. You see how I'm holding my hand down? And I'm going to put it right in the middle. And I'm going to twist it. And hold it. Because you always want the good side up. It's not going to be a huge bow. So we're going to do 6 inches on this side. We're going to twist and pull it and make 6 inches. And we're going to put our tail down because we're only going to do like, maybe we should, I think, don't pay me no mind, I'm talking to myself. And we're just going to cut it and put it to the side. Now let's do our red because we don't want to take away from. Yup. Okay. Let's do our red. Put this to the side. I might come back. I don't want it real big, y'all. 6 inches. That's 6. That is a little bit. It's okay. All right. Let's do red. I just say red, right? Yep. So this holds your spool, and we're going to do the same thing. Twist it in the center. We're going to make this tail the same length as the other, and we're going to make our bow. We're going to start going shorter. So this one's going to be 5. Alright. Put it in. You really don't have to twist if they're the same on both sides, but I just do because it's easier for me. Especially to remember when it's double-sided. So I just do it twisted all the time. So this is 5. Alright. We're going to do this tail the same. Alright, now we got our tiger. And I put rubber band around them all to hold it in place. Alright. And the way you put it on is you put the ribbon facing you, coming towards you. Alright? These are really nice, actually, guys. So this is one-sided. So you see the blank side different than the other side. So we do have to twist, right? So it's a twist. And the twisting actually makes the bad side come up. That way when you go over to make the loop, the good side shows. That's the purpose of the twist. Alright. So now we're going to make this 4.5. So we're going to go in and twist. Sorry guys. So 4.5. We don't want to make it 4. Just for no reason at all, y'all. For real. So we're going to make it 4.5 and twist. Alright, so we just staggered. That's all we did. And that's going to be our bow. I'm thinking something else, but that's going to be it. So now to get it off, we're going to take our chenille stem and we're going to put it under everything. I'm sorry, our zip tie. And we're going to load it, but we're not going to close it all the way. Hold it, guys. I know I have some long ones. Alright. So this is 6 inches. We're going to use longer. I think I have, let me see how long these are. 8 inches probably. So this is, yep, 8 inches, which is much better for bows, y'all. I could hardly grab that one. So we put it under all of it. See, I got more stem. Much easier. Alright, I'm not going to close it all the way. I'm going to bring it up. Kind of move this out of the way. See that center? I'm just going to pull this, put the zip tie right over there. Right to the center. Flip it over and secure. Make sure they stacked on top of each other. That's it. And we're going to cut that off. Do our tails. Put it on our reef. Do our dovetails. Yep. Tell me, I'll be working. When I hang this on the door tomorrow morning and look through it through my lens, the camera, always look through it when you're taking pictures to see what's out of place, because you can see, look at it and it looks fine, but when you look at it through the camera, it looks different, and you just have to make some minor adjustments though. I'll always wait till I hang it up to make my final adjustments, because your lenses see stuff you don't even see, I'm gonna tell you, which is weird, right? So do I have any left? Did I get them all, y'all? Yep. Alright. So all you do is just open them up. You see how I went in and opened them? I go right in the middle. Spread them out. It's going to get messed up when I put it on there, so I just have to do it again, but I wanted to show you. So I have the beige one down here on that side. Let's put the red one down here on that side and the beige one up top, so we can have all alternating colors. Okay, so that's your bow. I did a couple tree toppers last year too. Yep, I think we're gonna, nope, I like mine staggered. I really do like my tail staggered. They don't all have to be the same length, guys. I think it gives it a lot more character. Alright, let's put out, and guess where this is going? Right in the one of the stems on the reef form. And we're just going to twist it up. Yep. Right in the middle where that chenille stem is. You know what? I think I might have to put another one here, because That one is off to the side. So let's just put another one, because I want it centered. So I'm going to put another chenille stem right here in the center below that bow, instead of trying to drag that chenille stem over, and it would make it imbalanced. It wouldn't be balanced. So that's what I'm going to do. Put another chenille stem in on the middle rung. I gave it a twist. And now I'm going to sit my bow in it. How about that? And give that a couple twists. So that was like 5 twists, right, guys? And put it down back under that ring. And by the time you see this tomorrow, after I spend a half an hour on it while it's hanging up, I do it every day, guys. When I do a wreath, I go out and just do crazy stuff. What you gonna do? All right. Let's do our bow. And do our... So, let me come out so you can see what I'm doing here too. All right. I hope you can see. So now, in order for your tails to curl, you have to just take it from the end and roll them up. Wired edge ribbon. Don't buy anything else. Wired edge ribbon. Alright, so all we're doing is just rolling it up. You have more control and you can do much more with wired edge ribbon, guys. You see how it's staying in place after I roll it? Yep. Always wired edge ribbon. It's staying in place. So I'm going to take the middle of each one after it's rolled, and I'm going to pull each one out in the middle. That was the bow. That was a loop. Let's go to a middle. All of those is loop. All right, that should be one right here. It's rolled. I'm going right in the middle and pull it out, and it'll give it that curl. That's it. Each piece, each one, and it'll give it that little curl on the end, like a little Shirley Temple curl. I know I got some young folks with me tonight. Shirley Temple curl. Yeah, and that's it. You just pull them out like that and let them just hang. All right. So that beige one belongs up here. Do that Shirley Temple. Yep. And whatever direction you wanted to go, that's the way you would pull it. And that's your bow. And of course I'm going to go around and play with it till I fall asleep. No, I'm going to wait till the morning, guys. But that is your work form wreath with regular deco mesh and on a work form. And I hope you enjoyed it. can't see it too. I keep saying this thing keeps popping up. And there you go. See, I tried to center that. I'm always on the wrong side, right? There you go. Alright, when I hang it up tomorrow, I'll have everything in place. But see your bow on the end? The twirls? Alright guys, I'll be pulling all of these apart so you can see all of the tails and all of my little twists. And I appreciate you guys. I don't know what I'm going to do next, but I will see you guys closer to the weekend. Thanks for stopping by. And I'll post some photos tomorrow of this one completed after I played with it for a half an hour, I guess, after it's hanging. Alright guys, appreciate you. Thank you so much. I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget, Virginia, remind me. Alright? Alright. Have a good night.